So today I'll be showing you how to use a USB flash drive or a flash disk on your Sony Smart TV. Now this one is powered by Google TV, and all you have to do is plug the USB flash drive into the USB port of your TV. Those ports are normally at the back. This particular TV has two of them, but the number really doesn't matter. Anyway, once you connect to your USB flash drive, you can always access it by pressing the input selector, this button right here on the remote. So press that, and then from the input selector, select USB drive. Now once you click on USB drive, if you're looking at albums or photos on that particular USB flash drive, you can select albums and then select the flash drive, and then you can see any photo you have. Now this is using the default built-in file explorer, which is not very good. So you can check out your photos. Not even sure you can scroll. Let's see, you can actually scroll the photos in there, so that's fine. Now if you're intending to find music on the flash drive, then you have to go to music and then again select your USB drive, and then if you have any music like that, it's an MP3 file, you can find it like that. Now the best or a better way of using a flash drive is by downloading a third-party file explorer. Okay, so you can go to the app screen and find a third-party app explorer. There's one I've already downloaded, and it's called the FX file explorer. Now if you use that app, which you have to go ahead and download, you can go to the USB storage device, and then here you can see folders, you can see thumbnails of the images, the music files, and everything you can see, and it's a much better way of handling files in your USB flash drive, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.